Hello everyone, welcome to Belly Sneha Creations. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Sneha. Today we learn about two birds' name and its pictures. Let's see one by one. Parrot. This is parrot. Pigeons. These are pigeons. Sparrow. These are sparrows. Eagle. This is eagle. Owl. This is owl. Peacock. This is peacock. Swan. This is swan. Duck. This is duck. Crow. This is crow. Penguin. This is penguin. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Vulture. This is vulture. Seagull. This is seagull. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Crane. This is crane. Dove. This is dove. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Hornbill. This is hornbill. Hen. This is hen. Pelican. This is pelican. Robin. This is robin. Nightingale. This is nightingale. Raven. This is raven. Cuckoo. This is cuckoo. Rooster. This is rooster. Quail. This is quail. Cormorant. This is cormorant. Guinea fowl. This is guinea fowl. Hawk. This is hawk. Partridge. This is partridge. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Magpie. This is magpie. Toucan. This is toucan. Tyler bird. This is Tyler bird. Skylark. This is skylark. Myna. These are mynas. Kestrel. This is kestrel. Hodzin. This is hodzin. Stork. This is stork. Weaver bird. This is weaver bird. Turkey. This is turkey. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.